description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from Nissin Foods. This is a Nissin Foods Donbei Beni Shoga ginger, Soba from Japan buckwheat, and yeah. So we will do this up right now. Yeah, so it is March. It's the 20th, so it's the first day of spring. And yeah, it's acting, honestly, I think it's acting about as it normally would around here this time of year. A lot of little micro sun breaks, a lot of wind. It's rainy. It's kind of gross outside. Not like super wonderful. But yeah, it's just kind of the way it works around here. I live in the, I can see I can see Seattle from my window. No, I can't, but I can see, I can walk to the entering Seattle sign from here. It's a ways. I mean, I think the round trip is like 6 or 7 miles. And it's kind of a nice walk. It's all in the woods. It's funny because right now, up that away, they're really getting crazy and doing a lot of trail work. I went down that way today. But when you go down that way, you go more at Lake Washington, and there's a lot more breeze coming off of that. And usually, it seems when you go that way, there's a lot of tree cover, so when it does rain, you don't get it so bad until you get into a certain area where all the leaves just like drip, drip, drip right on you. But yeah, whatevs. I know I just said whatevs. Apologies. So I got like gift card for my birthday, like $100 worth of gift card. And it's funny because it's like, I know things I would like to have, but I'm like, I really like transistor radios. I've got one from 1971. It's older than me, and it works pretty well. It's kind of tired, but I really like it. It's like, oh, I should just get a new radio. And then it's like, I don't know. I found it like, gosh, close to 20 years ago at a thrift store north of here in the before time. And the before time is before I met my current wife, who is way better than my, anyway. But I got it in the before time, and when I got it, it was new in box. It said like pay and save on it, and it was like $40, but that was like back in the 70s. I mean, I don't know if it was $40, but it was like a lot. I think I paid maybe like $5 for it. A little transistor radio, brand new in box. Yeah, and I really like it, so it continues. But I also have a lot of other little radios, and it's like, I really like little radios. I've got some large radios too. And when I was at the thrift store today, I saw, see, I like to fall asleep listening to the radio sometimes. And they had one that was like this big, like a big one that was like a desktop radio set. It was a Radio Shack, from, I'd say, the 60s or 70s. You know, wood paneling on it. They wanted like $22. Big Sharpie on the stickers said "Works." I was like, this is rad, but I don't know how much I would trust falling asleep with this thing on at this point. You know what I mean? It's like, if I were going to get it, I would want to bring a screwdriver, crack it open, even though it says, you got to be professional and da-da-da-da-da. But I would want to crack it open and give it a check out, you know. I want to see if it, like, really stinks and how hot it gets and stuff like that. So I don't want to wake up and go, hey, I can't hear the radio, but I can hear all my... Like, I can hear the bookshelf on fire crackling oat bran. Yeah. Here's the noodle. Let's give it a try. Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. Here's the broth. Ugh. I'm sorry, but this one is not floating my boat. Turn off. It's not your time to shine yet, Rotato 2. Give it a moment. I will prepare you. Okay, we got a disc of tempura. How about a little tempura disco here? So the kids are really enjoying watching Ren and Stimpy now. It was funny when my sister was down. She's never really, I've never watched a whole episode of Ren and Stimpy. I'm like, well, buckle up, because they're going to play like 40 of them in a row. It's funny, my sister gets very like freaked out about certain things. She's just like, it's so gross. That's cool though. I will sample of this after. Did I bring? No, didn't. Oh crap! Here now. God, I'm like not looking forward to the next one I'm reviewing. The next one I'm reviewing is going to be quite a thing. So here's our... Get out of there, you jerk. Why are you, like... There you go. Here's our cookie. It comes with a cookie. I'll let it get a little saturated too. So maybe this is the ginger element, because honestly, I am not getting anything that's screaming ginger out of this. I'll try this after we're done here and after I've taken the pretty pictures. And I'll add a little bit of the friend. Here, little friend. Boop, friend. And some sesame seed from the Zyder Z. No, it's not from the Zyder Z. I don't even know where that is. Is that in Germany or something? I'm not sure. I believe it's a river. I think there's a song about it. I think that's where I'm remembering that silliness from. Okay, so I'll be back in a minute. You can have some Rotato time. I've got to prep for the next one, which is going to be stupid crazy. So here we go. Alright, so the next one is going to be a long haul episode. I'm not going to try to sugarcoat that. This is Happy Snail, the Luzhou snail rice noodles with crayfish taste from China. And the sheer amount of sachets in this is ridiculous. But it's going to take like 10 minutes to boil the rice noodle. I'm not kidding. The modulated rice noodle. I don't know. But that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and be kind to you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.